Total earnings 44,000. Wow. Discovery medical aid 6,000, right? Nah, guys, what? Welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. Today I want us to look at the security industry. Guys, security industry is so broad, you know. Unama grade A, ama B and C's and all these sorts of things. So I just want us to put the spotlight on the security industry. But I've done videos on the security industry salaries. I'm going to link them in the description box, okay, so you can check that out. We are going to have a look at 4 security officers, okay, and then a law enforcement officer as well. I'm sorry, law enforcement officer, I did not know where to put your pay slip, okay. Don't get mad and say, how Boni, why you put me with the security industry? Anyway, moving right along. This guy works for a parastatal, okay. They have grade C. This is going to be good because it's a parastatal. Parastatal is a government entity, state-owned entity, okay. Basic salary 12,109, overtime 1,100, retro. Basic salary is 7,361. Shift allowance, then the shift allowance, and then transport allowance. Total earnings 24,115. Retirement fund 968. These are deductions. Okay, total deductions 5,487. Net pay of 16,000 rands. Yeah, no, net pay of 18,626. Now let's go to this one, junior officer. This one works for they get paid in dollars, okay. So Boni, they do like, they work for a logistics company, like on the sea, you know, like people in shipping, right? So what you need for this job, you need SCCW training. That's about 3 courses that focus on crowd control, survival, and ship security officer. Okay, so that's 1. And then firefighter, medical first aid level 3 or above, a passport, US visa, and EU visa. Sounds serious. It sounds serious. So let's see how much they are earning. They earn in USD, of course. So their salary is 3,000 USD and net is 3,000 USD. I suppose they have to sort out their own tax. Guys, you know how it goes when you work on sea. Okay, you don't pay tax if you spend a certain number of days outside of South Africa. So 3,000 USD is about 53,679 rands. That's someone who works on the ship as a junior officer. Okay. Now let's go to this security officer. This one is grade C with a firearm license. Total hours 216, okay. Amount 6,330. Sunday of time is 24 hours, 351. Annual leave 60 hours, 1,758. Cleaning allowance 31 rands. Night shift allowance 91 rands. Armed security officers allowance 152. Total deductions 1,360 and a net pay of 7,354. Or gross earnings was 8,715. I wonder where is this person working, but they're in Gauteng. Rates per hour is 29 rand 31. Alrighty. Okay, so this one is grade B with 12 years of experience working in NKP industry. Guys, I suppose you would know what that means. All right. Okay, cash component 24,000 rands. Guys, this is promising. Guys, what is grade B? Guys, what is grade B? Okay, okay guys, what is grade B and what is NKP industry? Cash component 24,000 rands, and then there's a back pay of 2,350, and then non-pensionable allowance 9,000 rands. Then there's overtime 2.3, another overtime 5,800, travel time 464, travel time 200%, 646, total earnings 44,632. Guys, kumnandi lana yazi. Total deductions 16,300, and in a pay of 28,327. Pays you earn is 9,272. Wow. Discovery medical aid 6,000, right? Now, guys, what is this NKP industry? You know, guys, most cases when I receive a pay slip, I get a lot of emails, so I don't like engage the person. I just say, oh, thank you, received, you know. And then sometimes when I open it later, when I want to record a video, I'm like, oh, what's going on? Sometimes I want to ask a person a question. They are not responding instantly. But you know what? National key point. That's what NKP industry means. It's national key point. Hi, guys. I know these ones. I know they always get paid well. Wow, guys. This is impressive. This is impressive. Now, let's go to this law enforcement officer. Again, I'm sorry for putting you here because I didn't know where to put a pay slip. Okay, because I don't receive pay slips from the law enforcement space. If you are someone who works in law enforcement, please holler at your girl. I'm a law enforcement officer, local municipality. I have a LLB degree with 9 years experience, local government, and 4 years in the SAPS. So this person is a person who works the municipality. When show municipality. Okay. Salary 28,496, overtime 35,000 rands. Then telephone allowance 450, standby 5,813, night shift 11,512. Yo, okay, yeah, it's these people who manage is those are bylaws, guys. What say you can't put I can't just go down sit off job you know. So those are the people who manage those things. Okay, so but I see here gross earnings 81,322. It seems like a lot, but I don't know Ukuti how often they get these allowances over time and whatnot. Yo, okay, and this one works at night. Okay, this is nice, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. Gross earnings 81,332. Let's see deductions. Deductions 49,494. And then a pay of 31,827. What are you paying for? Yo, guys, there's a lot of things this guy is paying for. There is something that is 12,474. They didn't want us to see what it is. Yeah, there's quite a lot that they are paying for. This is why their deductions are 49,494. Guys, please like and share this video, and don't forget to email me if you like to share your payslip with us. It could be from any industry. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.